What do I have beside me? Well, it's a 2018 model Golf 7 R-Line. It came into our detailing studio about a month ago and it got treated to one of our premium detailing packages. With that being said, what we are gonna do today is I'm gonna walk you through the whole process from start to finish, and along the way, I'm gonna mention what products that we use, what kind of techniques that we use, and basically all the little nicks and knacks that help us get this Golf fully coated in quartz coating. And since a month has already passed from the day when we coated it, and it actually hasn't been washed in that period as well, today is the perfect day to check back to see how the ceramic coating looks, how it has held up, and to check out its protective qualities. That's about it. Let's get into it. So actually the car was a dream to work with because it only had a couple of bugs, some dust, a little bit of swirl marks, and some scratches here and there. The wheels had a lot of brake dust and a lot of dirt on them, so we started off by spraying them with the iron cleaner and just letting them rest for about 3 to 5 minutes and let the iron cleaner do its job. So here's the iron cleaner we used, and here's the pre-wash that we used for the first stage of washing, and they're both made by the company Detail Sense Different. So if you're interested in their products, I'll probably put the link in the description box so you can go ahead and check them out. So yeah, we let the pre-wash settle for about 3 minutes so it loosens up all the dirt and just makes it easier to rinse everything off and to prepare the car for the second stage washing. As you can see, you should always remember to get in those hard to reach places just to provide the best result and to prepare the car better for the second stage washing. So we use a 2-bucket wash system, so 1 bucket being filled with water just for rinsing, and then the second bucket being filled with water and shampoo. So we leave the bottom of the car for last and just start off with the roof, hood, and the sides, and while regularly rinsing out the wash mitt. And at the same time, I'm trying to go in with the exterior detailing brush in all the tight spaces you can imagine. So once everything is finished, we blow out the excess water with the compressed air. Once that is finished, we just use a soft microfiber cloth to soak up all the water without damaging the surface of the car. So now it's time to decontaminate the surface of the car with a clay bar and a special lubricant for clay. And as I said before, the car was in really good condition, so the clay bar didn't actually pick up much, but still it made it a little bit smoother and just easier to work with. So all there was left to do was to tape it and basically go to work.
So we decided to use a finishing polish with some cutting pads just so we could get rid of the swirl marks, and in addition also smoothen out the little scratches that were on the surface of the car, and just so the cutting pad could do the work that a simple microfiber pad wouldn't do. Then we used an isopropyl alcohol cleaner to get rid of any residue that the polish may have left over, so the car would be ready for the coating. As you can see, the coating comes with a foam applicator and some suede applicators as well. So we put the suede over the foam applicator and carefully and evenly apply the coating. So we let the coating sit for about 3 to 4 minutes, and before carefully wiping it down with a microfiber cloth, and just basically repeating the process throughout the whole surface area of the car. Once the whole surface has been coated, we bring out the infrared light to help the coating cure a little bit faster, and then still take a 2-hour break in between the first and the second layer. And yes, we did do a second layer of the coating, but at the time we were on a schedule and the job had to be done, so I didn't get a chance to get more footage. But trust me, in the end you will definitely see the results of the second layer. All there was left to do was to clean out the door gaps, clean the windows, and go over the plastics of the car. This is the all-purpose cleaner that we use to clean out the door gaps. This is the clean glass cleaner that we use to clean up the glass. And this is the plastic dash first cleaner that helped us with the plastic. The last thing that was left to do was to add some tire shine to the tires to give it that last finishing touch. Here we are almost 4 weeks later, and as you can see, the coating has done its job really well. The car hasn't been washed at all since the time the coating has been applied, and the result just blows my mind. The car has been driven every day, but over the night it has stayed inside the garage, so there's minimal dirt, and other than a couple of bugs, it's really clean. And to finish it off, we're gonna test what those 2 layers of coating are gonna provide for the surface of the car in the long run.
So that sums it up. Let us know what you think about the video in the comments below. If you enjoyed our content, make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more because we got a whole lot more coming. For daily content, follow our Facebook and Instagram. I'll make sure to link them down below. And if you're interested more in the detailing services we provide, make sure to check out www.justcarcare.com. And it was a pleasure to share it all with you. So thank you for stopping by, and hey, see you next time.